Hello guys! Alam nyo, napapansin namin na parang luminipis na yung balahibo sa noo ng mga babies namin. Kaya naman, naisipan namin na gumamit ng government specialist. Every time na nagpe-prepare kami ng food nila, hinahalo namin ng government specialist together with their wet cat treats. Alam nyo ba na ang government specialist is made from virgin coconut oil, which increase appetite and body weight, boost their immune system. It helps increase their energy level and makes their poor hair and coat shines. Ayan na nga, nag-uunahan na sila. Halata excited na sila sa pagkain nila. Ang bango-bango naman kasi nitong government specialist at siguradong gaganahan ng mga babies namin. So guys, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Check our yellow basket!